Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this really simple keto chicken broccoli stir fry. Okay, let's get started making this easy stir fry. I've already got 2 tablespoons of avocado oil in this skillet and I've got it heating on medium-high heat. I've got 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs here that we have cut into strips, and I'm going to add that to the oil. I've got 4 cups of broccoli florets here, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to the pan. Now we just want to continue to move this around until the chicken is cooked through and the broccoli is fork tender. Okay, our chicken is looking good, our broccoli is looking good. It's not quite fork tender yet, but I'm going to go ahead and put the sauce ingredients in here just to get it to steaming. So that includes 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And if you are allergic to soy or you don't like soy sauce, you can use an alternative like coconut aminos. I've got 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, keto-friendly sweetener, 1 clove of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Let me stir all of this up. We want to keep our pan on medium-high heat. And now I'm going to sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum very lightly on top, just so it doesn't clump. And this is going to help thicken our sauce. This is definitely optional, and it would thicken if you let it simmer for a while, but I just like to use the xanthan gum. It's just a simple way to get keto things, keto sauces and soups thick. So we're going to let this simmer, and the sauce is going to thicken up and it's going to coat our vegetables and chicken, and then this will be ready. And I almost forgot, this recipe also uses 1/2 cup of water, just so we have a nice amount of sauce. And just like that, this recipe is done. I'm going to sprinkle some white sesame seeds on top just to be pretty. And look at how good that looks. Let's get a taste. That is so good. The broccoli is still a little crisp, and the chicken is perfectly tender. So good. Make sure you make this for your meal prep. This makes 4 servings. Just divide it out into 4 containers, and you've got 4 days of lunches ready to go. Be sure you check out this other recipe I've got here for keto beef bulgogi. It's just as easy and delicious as this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.